On October 24th, Samui Municipality and Tourism Association of Koh Samui, or TAX, organized the annual Flood and Disaster Prevention and Relief Plan Drill to get all the sectors ready for any emergency responses. Mr. Pasert Jit Mung, Samui District Chief Officer, and Mr. Sanongsak Somwong, President of TAX, opened the event and explained all the plan that would be done. Many organizations participated, including SPPO, Ta Saprot Network, Samtong Hotel, Centara Grand Beach Resort, Ba Phut Police Station, Fire Department, Provincial Electricity Authority, Koh Samui Hospital, and many others. There were 9 scenarios in total as follows. At the end of the drill, everybody sat down for an assessment to indicate any problems that will later be considered for improvement.